Hi, today we're in Coto de Caza, Orange County, California. I'm at our demonstration garden with all these beautiful little shrubs and trees and flowers. We have a great Pride of Madeira here in full bloom. Wow. This guy here is today's plant. This is a Cape Mallow, Anisodontea malvaceae. Originally comes from South Africa as an Anisodontea capensis, or an African mallow, or a Cape mallow. Lots of different hybrids of this plant. This hybrid here is called a Terra's Pink. Got a beautiful pink flower. Also called a Terra's Pink Cape Mallow. Wow. So officially, he's Anisodontea cross hypomandarum. But you can call him a Terra's Pink for short, or Terra's Pink Cape Mallow. So he's described as a fast-growing, drought-tolerant, bushy, upright, evergreen shrub with bright green leaves and light pink flowers, like we have here. Gets about 3 to 4 feet high, sometimes even 8 feet high, and about 3 to 4 feet wide. Likes full sun, partial sun, even some shaded areas, like we have here, underneath these beautiful coast live oak trees. Wow, just gorgeous. Low to moderate, infrequent watering. He grows best in USDA zones 9 to 11, and we're in zone 10 out here in Coto de Caza. And the stems, or the young stems, they're a little herbaceous, they're thin and flexible, a little bit green or purplish. They have tiny little hairs on them. Check that out. Just beautiful. As the stems get older, they get a little more woodier, lose that color, and they lose their hair. See how woody this is? And down below, look at the base. Call that the trunk or the main stem. Gets real woody down there. Loses all the herbaceous qualities it has. And the leaves, well, here they're evergreen leaves, but they will fall off in times of real bad frosts. But they're evergreen. They're bright green. Usually they have these 3 lobes on them. You can see 1, 2, 3. So it's got 3 lobes. Sometimes they're a little toothed, and sometimes they're not. Wow. And they're about 1 inch long. The flowers, this guy here, well, they bloom. They start in late winter, but you can get blooms all year if you protect it from the frost. It's got 5 petals. Sometimes they overlap a little bit, like this guy here. Just gorgeous. And sometimes they're more separated. This guy and this guy. So it's a small, he's funnel shaped a little bit, and he's 1 inch to 1.5 inches wide. Light pink petals. We have these little dark pink venations at the base of the petals there. Kind of like little spider webs coming up there. A little darker pink. Wow. And inside you have all the reproductive parts coming up there as well. It's a beautiful little flower on this evergreen shrub here. You propagate it by cuttings. Real simple, just cut off the new stems, the green ones, pull off the leaves, put in a little root hormone, and plant it in your nice soil mix. You can propagate it by seeds too. Buy some seeds at your local nursery. Look at that beautiful, beautiful flower from our little Terra's Pink Cape Mallow. Just gorgeous. This is a great plant to have in your garden. Easy to maintain. Just had to cut back some of the dead stuff, and I wouldn't really cut it back too hard at all, as long as it keeps that great green, beautiful growth coming in. I think we have a bee over here. Look at that. He's doing his job in there. Look at that. Getting all that sweet nectar out of there, spreading that pollen around. Wow. So there we go. It's our Terra's Pink Cape Mallow. Originally from South Africa. Fantastic little shrub here. Highly recommend it. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.